Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the SONGMICS office desk chair. It's a computer chair out of PU. It is adjustable, headrest solution, padded armrests, and rocker function, and up to 150 kilogram turquoise blue office chair. It's also available in pastel pink or in black. It is made out of polyurethane and it is adjustable in multiple places. The seat height is adjustable between 46.5 up to 56.5 centimeter. The adjustable headrest provides optimal support for the neck and the head. It's suitable for users with a height of 170 up to 190 centimeter. And we have a 95 up to 110 degrees tilt function for relaxation. And for workout, yes, of course. And we have a breathable surface. Thanks to the preferred PU, our body can breathe even when sitting for a long time. In the office, for example. With this office chair, we can say goodbye to thickening in the summer. And we have high seating comfort. The ergonomic backrest and well-padded seat reduce the pressure on our back and legs. The curved headrest provides high comfort for the neck and the head. The padded armrest relieve the arms and our shoulders. And we have a stable and reliable design. The chair can hold up to 150 kilogram and has been tested by SGS according to EN 1335 for strength and durability. And it's robust and durable too. The safety and the durability of this chair have been tested by the supplier 120,000 times in the safety test of the gas cylinder. 1 minute in the static pressure test of the base of 1.136 kilogram and 10,000 times in the cycle test of the wheels. We have a really stylish look here. Inspired by the seat of racing cars, the combination of PU and color blocking shows a sporty sense and is very suitable for as game or study or office use, of course. An office chair, also called a desk chair, is a type of chair that is designed for use at the desk in an office. It is usually a swivel chair with a seat of wheel or mobility and adjustable height. Modern office chairs typically use a single distinct load-bearing leg, often called a gas lift, which is positioned underneath the chair seat. Near the floor, this leg spreads out into several smaller feet, which are often wheeled and called casters. The office chairs were developed around the mid of the 19th century as more workers spent their shifts sitting at a desk, leading to the adoption of several features not found on other chairs. Many office activities such as writing or typing involve a forward seat position in front of a workstation. Emphasis-free use of the arms and hands for reaching and for dexterous activities. Other tasks, such as talking on the telephone, permit a recumbent posture, static posture, sitting a single position for long periods of time. It places strain on the body and can lead to medical concerns. Teleconferencing and increasing common business activity has slightly different postural constraints as compared to typing or audio telephony. Chairs with additionally adjustments such as seat pan tilt, like in this model here, cater to a wider range of use cases. Sometimes this is combined with a power standing desk to further mobility our body. Chairs with casters move the best on hard floors or specialized mats. The wheels concentrate the bearing load onto a small contact surface and can damage some types of flooring materials, such as traditional hardwood, unless protected by a suitable hard mat. Rolling and swiveling used in combinations permits a single office worker to command many different desks or workstations with a small office footprint, often an office cubicle. The plastic carpet are unsuitable flooring materials for wheelchairs, especially plastic wheels rolling over modern synthetic materials such as carpet or plastic floor mat are capable of generating high level of static charge, which can be damage to electronic devices in some cases. You see, in this case, you have this SONGMICS office desk chair, and it comes with plastic wheels. That means if you are in your office and you have a hard floor, this will be no problem for it. Maybe you will get a mat under it, and then it will protect your bottom much more. But you can also replace these wheels on the bottom of this SONGMICS office chair to a rubber wheel for something else. This is possible because the connection is standardized. And you can tilt your chair, and this is really healthy. You can go up and go down, so you can adjust the height level with this SONGMICS office desk chair. So you can take a good seat on a long shift in the office or on your rig if you're a gamer with this beautiful SONGMICS office desk chair. It's a computer chair out of PU. No animal has to die for it because it's PU material, but it feels like leather. It's really cool design. And I think the color here in turquoise is a really cool thing. The maximum weight you can have is 150 kilogram, so it's suitable for me too. It's the OBG 066Q01 by SONGMICS. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback in the hope to see you again on my channel. And the assembling is really easy. First start with the bottom. Enter the wheels into position, then build from the bottom up the armrest on the seat rest, then the backrest, tighten the balls, get it into position, job's done. Oh yeah. Sun.